I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a decorate with me. This is our Thanksgiving table setup this year, and I just wanted to bring you guys along in case, I know Thanksgiving's on Thursday, but in case there's any last minute shoppers out there, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to film a video and show you guys how we are doing Thanksgiving. We don't have a dining room table. We do, but it's in our storage unit. Our apartment is too small for a dining room table, so we utilize our island as a table. So I put together this setup for my family to enjoy because I love to feel like we're in a Hallmark movie, and it's so simple, so inexpensive. Everything on this table, aside from the pumpkins and the candlestick holders and the cheesecloth and the butter dish, but everything else is from Target, so you guys could run out, go grab these things. I will link everything below just in case you want to order them, but everything is from Target. It's super affordable, like I said, and it really does make the holiday feel more family-like, more cozy, and it just really does make all the difference. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark, one more oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me think back, give